What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back out here again. I'm out here on the dusty park bench with this Riviera 700C it is, and this is actually the MJX X11C. It's actually an older model, but it has been rebranded by this company here, Riviera. They have a few drones that they have out and all, but MJX came out with this little quad maybe 3 years ago, I think, but I never was able to get my hands on it. It was very hard to find, hard to get, and maybe this is why, because it was being bought out or rebranded by this company here, Riviera. But pretty nice flyer. I wish it came without a camera. You guys know I don't do these little pinhole cameras. But nevertheless, the Syma X11 did have a C version as well, a version with a camera. And that's what this model is copying off of, I would think. It is geared, propped, as you can see there. And so this guy flies very similar to the X11 from Syma. The X11C, actually, it flies very close to. And this is actually my first flight outside with this little guy. I had a incident with the first one that I bought. This is my second one, but we'll save all of that stuff for the review. Let's get this guy up in the air. It's pretty cold out here, and I'm hoping it doesn't do a number on the battery. It is on the classic MJX protocol, so I am flying this with the jumper. We'll fly it stock for the review. And it looks like this battery is dying already. I did come with an extra. Hopefully the extra will have us out here flying with this guy. Let me throw another battery in. Okay, let's try battery number 2. Both of these batteries were charged before I came out, so this one seems a little better. We're not going to do any filming, just interested in how this guy flies. Nice deep pitch. The pitch is actually deeper than the Syma X11. The yaw rate is about the same. Yeah, very deep pitch on it. It dives when you go full pitch with it. Hopefully you guys can see it in this background here. The cold weather has her squeaking. And she's fast. See if we could do some manual flips. Oh, she does them. Oh, she's a pro at it. I don't know if I have any other flips set. Let's see. Manual flips. Let's see again. Oh yeah, I got them set. Okay. So she flips nice. Man, this pitch is really deep though. That's a good thing, by the way. Makes her faster. Have to watch out though, she'll dive into the ground if you hold the pitch too long. So we're not going to get a long flight with this cold weather. Let's bring her in. Yep, and she's going down already. I had a feeling that the battery was going down. It was starting to feel a little weaker. And so that's it, a quick fix of the Riviera 700C Syma X11C clone. Really good one. Thanks for watching.